So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you that if you have a Lloyd Inverter AC and you're a new technician, or you're stuck in a remote area and can't find a technician, and you need to uninstall the AC, I'll show you a very easy method. So let's start the video. Before opening the AC unit, turn on the AC and let the outdoor unit start. Once the outdoor unit is running, thoroughly check the AC's cooling performance and verify if there is enough refrigerant gas. If the AC is cooling properly, it means there is sufficient gas. Now, leave the AC running. Using a screwdriver, remove the side cover of the outdoor unit. Now, loosen both nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Using a 5 mm Allen key, tighten the thinner discharge pipe. After 1 minute, or when the compressor starts running at high speed, wait 40 seconds and then tighten the thicker suction pipe using a 5 mm Allen key. Now, turn off the AC using the main switch. After the AC is off, disconnect the discharge and suction pipes using a wrench. Now, open the wiring cover located on the side of the outdoor unit and disconnect the indoor to outdoor supply wires using a screwdriver. Now, loosen the 4 nuts and bolts on the outdoor bracket. Once the 4 nuts and bolts of the outdoor unit bracket are loosened, you can take the outdoor unit down. Now, using 2 wrenches, loosen the indoor to outdoor copper pipe nuts and break the plaster of Paris on the back side of the indoor unit so that the indoor unit can be easily removed. Now, gently straighten the pipe and tape the end of the pipe to prevent water or debris from entering it. Now, disconnect and remove the main supply wire of the indoor unit from the stabilizer. Gently open and remove the bottom panel of the indoor unit. Now, unlock the bottom lock of the indoor unit and lift it up to remove it. Now, unscrew all the screws on the plate at the back of the indoor unit and remove the plate. Gently bend the pipes at the back of the indoor unit and wrap the indoor unit's plate and wires together with tape. Now, tape the valves of the outdoor unit thoroughly to prevent water or debris from entering. The AC has now been completely uninstalled. I hope you liked my video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.